guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to be doing a bright yellow, very springtime look. I know we're all indoors right now, but let's just have fun and play with makeup. This is the time. I never use neon colors, so I thought that since I'm indoors and I'm not usually super confident with neon colors, that I would do this. So yeah, I'm also going to be showing you what I used to have like really clear skin, and that so my pores can stay really nice and small. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I will see you in a bit. So the product I'm going to be using is by this company called Eyeshadow. I think that's how you pronounce it, on Amazon. And this is the Blackhead Remover Pore Vacuum Cleanser with a hot compress function. And it comes with 5 mouths. This first one is the silicone mouth. The second one is the big mouth. And then the third one is the oval mouth. The fourth one is the curved mouth. All the details are listed right there. And the one I'm going to be using is the small mouth, and this is for suction around acne areas and everything. So I'm going to just be using that around my pores. These are the functions. You go from either from low to high, you know what I mean, depending on how sensitive your skin is. It's not showing up, but it is LED, and I just used it on the low setting around my nose because I do have a few like problem areas there, and I do it around like the heavier pore areas on my face, and I just suck out all the dirt. And what happens here is it does leave your face a little red, but it goes down almost immediately, and it just cleans everything out. Now if you have really bad pores or anything like that, just review all the section parts and see which one you would like to use. My face wasn't too dirty, but you could see that there was a little bit of gunk and residue, so make sure you clean that, and your face will be overall very smooth. And that's perfect because when you put foundation over it, it just looks really good. So I'll be leaving that listed down below in case you are interested. It's a really good device to have on you, but I am just putting the Wet n Wild Stick foundation all over my face. I love this foundation. It gives you a very smooth complexion, which I absolutely adore. So I just put that all over my face, and then once I'm done blending that in, of course, I'm going to go in with concealer. So that suction device is really cool because it has a bunch of other little things. Like it has like a silicone mouth, which is for sensitive skin to avoid redness, just in case you don't want redness. The oval mouth had the difficult care for like around the nose, mouth, and corner, and also like the bigger mouth was made for large areas and blackheads. So I used that one too as well, which is why my skin looks very clear. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I've been using that, which is how I get such a smooth complexion. And having a smooth complexion is important when you're doing like heavier makeup looks. Obviously, it's all upon genetics and how you take care of your skin. So I was doing the same routine. That's why I kind of like went off just talking about the device. I'm sorry. But I was just baking my face, and now I'm doing my eyebrows on camera. I just use this blonde eyebrow pencil. It looks like darker brown, but I use this by Wet n Wild, and it gives my eyebrows like a really awesome arched look. And I apologize for my eyebrows being kind of crazy right now because I have not been able to go to the beauty store and dye them. I know that's not the correct term, but color them. So I've been having to use eyeshadow to drastically brighten them up, and it's just not that great as if I lighten them. But I have to just like order all my stuff on Amazon Prime now because my beauty stores are closed. But yeah, that's annoying. Anyways, I'm taking a vanilla toned eyeshadow from the Beauty Gorgeous Cosmetics, I'm sorry about that, palette, and placing that on my brow bone area. Then I'm taking the Neon palette by Dido Cosmetics and using the color called Lemon. I'm going to be making way more looks with this palette. I absolutely am in love with it, and I have a few palettes right now. I have 3 neon palettes. So I'm just going to go on like with this quarantine time, I'm just going to make some random neon looks. So I hope you guys don't mind that, because it's been a while since I've done like just a look that inspired by colors instead of inspired by a celebrity, and I feel like a lot of you guys have missed that because it's like my own personal touch and what I come up with instead of emulating a celebrity. So I did go in with the reddish color, and you don't need to do this. I just did that because the yellow was so bright. Then I go into the I'll Be There For You palette by Peachy Queen Cosmetics and using this color. I think it's called Drink the Fat. It's Friends related, so if you know, you get it, you get it. And I'm just placing that color in the inner corner just for that pop because it's more sparkly. And I'm also running that other lemon color underneath my lower lash line. So I am just lining my waterline with a white eyeliner pencil. The next step is to coat your lashes with mascara and also, well, what else, Nicole, right? And then your coat heavily the bottom lashes to get rid of some of that eyeshadow that fell there. And I'm just going to be using these lashes from Ardell. They're the Wispies. Love these. They're a classic. I'm not doing any liner. I just wanted the eyeshadow to look really yellow. But what do you guys think? Should I have like a series where I just do a bunch of colorful looks? Let me know because I would love to do that. Once I'm done with the eyes, I'm just going to put bronzer all over my face. I feel like that's what just looks best right now, is just bronzing up my face. And then I'm going to use this Dido Cosmetics. It's kind of like a Kush eyeshadow, but I'm using it as blush. And this is the eyeshadow called Let's Roll. And it's very corally and creamy. And I just love Dido Cosmetics. They have amazing products. Just putting that blush all over my cheeks. And yeah, it just gives you kind of this really nice flush. I'm going crazy with makeup right now and I love it. So now I'm taking Gilded Honey and just putting that highlight on my nose and going to be setting my face with the Morphe setting mist. Then I'm taking Whirl by MAC and lining my lips. So I'm just, like I said, taking Whirl to line my lips. And then for the liquid lipstick, I am going to be using Androgyny by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which is one of it's just like a classic. I love this lipstick. People are thinking, why didn't you go for a nude? I just feel like that is like the basic generic thing to do. So I took like a purpley lipstick because I just feel like those two go really well together. And I am also just taking Naked by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This combo is sick. I love it. It's like makes the purple more toned down. Well, it's not purple, but mauve. And I just love the color. It's just so beautiful. This is a killer combo and I absolutely love it. And I love this yellow eyeshadow and I want to wear it like every single day. It's just so cool. But yeah, that is pretty much the look, you guys. So let me know if you want to see more colorful looks like this inspired but what I'm doing instead of just celebrity inspired looks. Of course, those will still be coming on my channel. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys love this video. Let me know what you think. All right, see you later.